Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here a great kit, well worth doing on all your later bikes after 07, which have that horrendous compensator, which is like the hubcap from hell rattling around as you shut off and open up. Okay, been there. We fit the big S&S 124 in Kev's bike, and my god, it was like a bag of spanners going along. Also, any play is then automatically, unfortunately, taken up by this tensioner. Well, not this one, but the automatic version of this that Harley have. This one here, manually you adjust, so you can feel your play 7/8, whatever it is on your particular model, relock it up, and away you go. Okay, very simple to use, direct replacement for the original. All right, comes complete with a new bolt. Now, the tensioner side of it is very important as well, because the standard compensator, basically this is done with a screw thread. So what happens is, as you accelerate and decelerate, this will take the play out. Okay, so it won't bend all your clutch basket like some of the solid compensators. This is very clever from BDL, Belt Drives Limited. So what this is going to do is this is going to allow your motor to go one way or the other. All right, and then as you can see there, it's locked. Okay, and then when you shut off, it will go the other way, and these little plates will sort of take care of that for you with the new bolt and everything. But fantastic way to go, does away with all the original Harley crap that's in there, and it is a big problem on some of those bikes. If you've got a very late bike or a Screaming Eagle one, you unfortunately will have to buy a different alternator rotor as well, okay, which we do. They're not cheap. They are actually cheaper from Harley to buy the earlier model off the bike before they fitted that stupid Screaming Eagle thing. So or you could grind it off, I suppose, but not recommended. But what I would recommend is one without the magnets that you can see the gaps between. You really want one with the stainless steel insert, so if ever those magnets come off, which I'll just show you one here that's gone wrong, when they come off they do a lot of damage. Okay, but fantastic bit of kit, good upgrade, well worth doing. If you're going to keep the bike, you'd be stupid not to, especially if you're sticking a big motor in it. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com. This kit will be available online soon, around about 440 quid for the whole lot, and that's the BDL compensator. This is our Magnum primary tensioner kit, top of the range Spectro heavy duty oil, and your James gasket, which is, you know, legendary. They've got all the actual seals around each bolt hole, plus a double seal here, so chance out leaking and it will be reusable is great. Okay, sales at customcruisers.com, their website customcruisers.com, or call Mike 01773 835 666. Thank you.